Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussion is Python programming with visual code using visual code. Okay, so friends, first of all we will learn to create Python program using visual code. To know how to create Python code, let's first learn about visual code. Okay, so this is my visual code app. This is explorer, this is extension, and this is testing, and this is run and debug, and this is source and control. Okay, and before Python program, in my extension I installed python python python, and also I also installed code runner, xe runner. Okay, here I am doing C program, so C++, all I installed all app in here. Okay, now I have to create file. Okay, how can I create a file? At first you will go open folder, and you see that I have already created a program which name is Python. Okay, first of all I created Python file to program. So you know how to create file. Just click right and go new, and you get folder. Just click it in here, so you get a new file. Okay, so just click in here, you get new folder. Just write it Python. Okay, no problem, I have already created. So this new folder you can write, I write Java. Okay, when I will teach Java, then I use this file. Okay, let's go. Okay, select folder. No, not Java folder. No, Python folder is my select folder. Okay, my folder is Python. Okay, and also also the program name. How can I write the program name? Program name is program.py. Okay, program name. My program name is program.py, because .py is the Python code. For Python code, my program name is program.py. Okay, now I will show that how to write a program. Let's write print. Okay, print. I have written print. Now just write welcome to my science and maths channel. Welcome to my welcome to my welcome to okay, my science and maths. Welcome to Probal Chakraborty science and maths channel. Okay, now I go terminal and new terminal. Okay, start terminal and new terminal. Okay, let's see what is going. Yeah, Python. So I give name Python. This is the one way to run the program, and my program name program. You can write anything your program, but last you have to write py. Okay, click in here. Okay, in here I have mistake. Okay, that is the Python name. I have mistake, so I error. Okay, Python. Welcome to my channel. This is the my another program. Okay, let's see that in here you go terminal, new terminal. Okay, let's type and run Python. Okay, my Python spelling is not correct. Python, Python. Okay, and let's write program dot py. Okay, at first I have to save this program. Okay, I have to go and save this program. Okay, at first I save this program. Okay, enter. Welcome to Probal Chakraborty Science and Maths channel. This way I just run this program. Another way is click in here, because as I have already installed Python app in extension, you see my extension is going Python, so I don't need, it is also installed. Okay, so I don't need to go, so I go in here and I also extension Python is in here, so I can click OK. Same I have written, welcome to my Probal Chakraborty Science and Maths channel. Python is very easy, it is not tough like C programming. So friends, we need to know how to create a new file. Just go new text file, okay, and go and also save this file with the name, this is the untitled one. So I just moving this and I now write probal.py. Okay, this is the save. So you will see that probal.py, this new new file will name. So again you just write in here print python. Okay, this is the name is python, just write python and you will check again you get the same output. This is the first class, so I don't need to teach so many program, but for this class is for beginners, those who want to learn python. Thanks for watching.